Hi everyone, can you hear me? Yeah,
Yes.
hi Dimitrios, hi Jeff, Gerard, Ali, Tamer, yeah, Shirin, yeah, Fasil. Hope everyone is doing great, yeah. So let's start, kick off, yeah. So let's go around the clock and then discuss couple of things, new updates, yeah. So let's start with Dimitrios, yeah. You want to start?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Okay.
So how
I,
are you doing? All good?
I'm I'm okay. I'm okay. So I have two questions.
Sure.
Okay. The first question is, can I share my screen?
Yeah, obviously, I'll allow you to share the screen. Yeah, go ahead. Share your screen. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. So what I'm trying to do here, okay, I'm checking the incoming emails. Okay.
Yeah.
I have this so I can take the content from the email.
Hmm.
Here. So also I want to extract the links. Okay.
Okay.
And here now is the question. I want these links that I get, okay, to send them in virus total. Okay. So they can
Okay.
be checked about if they are phishing emails. Okay. And after that, if they are phishing,
What kind of links are there? Like, what are the type? What is the type of the link? Because there can be a
okay.
lot of emails, maybe like image URLs will be there. A lot of links will be there, right?
Yes, any link. I'm taking the links from the email body.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I mean
Okay.
this about the links from the email body. Okay, and maybe the sender also.
Okay.
It
Okay.
can be. Okay,
Okay.
so I want here to be sure that the links are checked without a problem.
Okay. So now, what issue you are facing?
Okay, I don't get the links. I think I tested it and
Okay.
I'm getting
Yeah. Sure. Give me control, please. Yeah.
yes, yes.
So you're looking for any email, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me see how this is going on.
Okay, okay. It will take a lot of emails now, but it's not a problem.
It will be one email, whatever I selected.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, so this is the first problem. So basically,
Mhm.
whatever you're passing is not in proper format. So suppose I'm just selecting multiple emails. So for example, let me go and select one again, a different one where there is multiple links. Okay, let me run this. Okay, so this is one of the case here. The links are coming in the form of different bundles. You see here, bundle 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
4, 5. Yeah. So this
Yes.
is for everyone's information, but the mapping provided in virus total is not in a proper format because whatever, if you go down, the query string, this is the query string, it's an add parameter and we should supply in this format, name, value, name, value. Yeah. So that is
Okay.
not passed properly. So that is why we have to use array aggregator. I'm just using array aggregator. Yeah.
Mhm.
And
Okay.
then connecting this array aggregator to the match pattern. So let me select the source module as match pattern module. And here in below, I can select the query string structure. See here, query string.
Okay.
So I need to build, see, you cannot add a number and alphabet. Only numbers you can add, right? So same way, you can match something which is of same data type. So our data type in HTTP module, the query string is with name and value. So you need to build the same structure, name and value. That's why I use array aggregator, and then I can pass the value, right? So there is fallback match. And so it depends. I don't know about the API of VirusTotal. So have you inputted this correctly? I doubt
Yes.
actually this is the correct way. In the query string you need to pass, because in query string it needs name and value. So what would be the name and value?
Okay. I have here the API in the
So can
stack.
you open the API documentation?
Yes. Give me a minute.
Yeah.
We can use it
No, I can't see the API, whichever you are using. I need the reference, the API reference.
here.
So is this scan URL, this one? Scan URL?
Yes, this one.
Okay, so here is one more important thing. It will scan only one URL. Okay, it's written URLs, URL string. Let me see. Why I can't click try it? I'm unable to click.
Right.
I can't click anywhere. Yeah. Okay, 1 second. Let me see now. So it shows only for one URL. It's taking only one URL. So is it so? I see it's only one URL, not multiple URL. Yeah. So in
Yes.
that, if that is one URL means you need to pass in the same format. So if you see here, you are not following as per the API documentation, the HTTP request. So can you click on scan URL again, go to the documentation? Yeah. So you have to follow this URL, right? And it's a post request. And if you just click on try it, oh, 1 second, let me type in a URL. See here. So data will be URL equal to test. So URL is the name and the value is test. So you need to come back. So we can't use array aggregator because they show only one URL option. Hope you understood as per the documentation. So you have to go like in this format, like query string URL, right? And then you need to pass the fallback match, the value. And see, you are using get method, but in the documentation, they clearly said it is post method. So accordingly, you need to use the correct methods. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is like you are following colon. This is also not correct. So I think have you gone through our HTTP call training in make.com classroom?
And no, I'm working on the class that make.com have.
Okay, because I have clearly explained how to build it. So you need
Okay.
to follow as per the documentation, everything, then this will work. Otherwise, this will not work. Yeah. So if you go back, it's virustotal.com API v3 URLs, right? Virustotal.com API v3 URLs. Let me come back and see. API v3 private URLs. You are using private URLs. So I'm not sure from where did you get it. Let me check again. Can you click on the documentation? I think there is some button or obstruction. I cannot click on the scan URL. Yeah, see, where did you get the private URL? I'm not sure from how did you get
Um,
that. So
I'm not
you can
sure.
see here request type is post, URL is given, and then header is given. So we have to pass in this format. This is what I explained in the make training classroom. And then this should work fine. Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
So this is what missing in your HTTP request. And also it's very simple. If you copy this, I have also explained this as well. If you just copy this and come back to make and you use this AI generated, simple, it's very simple, like for newbies, generate, generate HTTP module with below info.
Oh, okay.
So I have explained all these things actually. Not sure why you did not go through the classroom. It's very easy. So it will generate, create the new HTTP module. See
Oh,
here,
yes, I
let's
can see it.
go. See here, it already
Yes.
created with everything filled in. See, it's easy for you.
Okay.
Hope you understood, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
So now you have the fallback match, right? So this
Yes.
is how you need to provide the values, right? And the API key is missing. You need to add the API key as per the documentation. So that
Okay.
again, in the API key, if you go to the documentation, why I can't click it again? Can you go to the scan URL again?
Yes.
Yeah. So if you go to the authentication, they here in the authentication, they will mention how to pass the API key. So like that is how we used to go through everything. So let me go. 1 second. Authentication. Okay, it's written here. Whatever you did is correct, I think. Let's go back.
Okay. The key is
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, it's a hyphen API key you have to provide in the header. So that alone is missing. So if I provide again with API key also some test, here you can see test one. So it's same thing in the header, you have to pass this H API key, whichever you use. So that should be additionally here available as the API key, as an extra header, and then pass the API key, and that should work fine. Yeah. So just
Okay.
try this, and if you face any issue, let us know. Yeah.
Okay, I understand.
So again, please follow the classroom because as I said, we explain these easy methods. It will save your tons of time. Yeah.
Yes, yes, I
Use this,
understand.
yeah. And also, we are also working for a customer in Israel with Virus Total, etc. So if you need more details, what we are working, we can share that as well. Yeah,
Yes, okay. What I'm trying to do is I want to create a scenario about checking both, that it will be GDPR and AI Act compliance.
got it, got it. We are also going further in Virus Total and then other cloud computing tools to check, like as you said, to detect whether the URL is good or bad, is it spamming, virus attack, everything we are checking, like you said. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so just try this and let us know the feedback. Yeah,
Okay.
how
Okay.
this is going. And if you face any issue, let me know. But this is a proper method. Like the URL should be exactly as per the documentation. Method is already written. So you need to follow that method. Then whatever headers mentioned, you need to mention it. And then you can see in the request content you can use, or you can as per the type. So generally they will mention if it is JSON type, then we have to use in the request content. So I have explained that in the video. You can go through and let me know or share in. And definitely, if you face any issue, we can definitely check it out. Yeah.
Okay. Great. I
Anything
will
else,
stop.
Dimitrios?
Okay. I will stop share. Okay.
Yeah.
And one more question that I have.
Yeah.
Okay. I saw that you create how I can create an app inside make.com. I mean, in this scenario, because I want this to sell this automation under one subscription.
Got it. So,
Okay.
app development is a big process. Like you need to know, like Make has a documentation how to
Mhm.
build the app, and there are some demo videos. So I definitely we can share the demo videos to you. So it's something like those who know coding. they will learn easily. But those who doesn't know coding, it's very difficult because
Yes.
you should know JavaScript and you should start writing the code to develop the app.
Okay.
So
You understand? I want this one part of this application to be as on of this automation to be as application, so it will not be copied. I mean, someone to extract the automation and use it for his own. Because if you don't have this, for example, your LinkedIn automation, if I don't have your app, it doesn't work, right?
but you can build the app, right? You can go and build the app. That's possible. So yeah, so as you said, we can create. Yeah, I understood. Like putting some validation key, those things you are talking about.
Yes, yes, exactly. I'm thinking
Okay.
somehow to lock the automation, the scenario. And I'm thinking,
Got it, got it. Yeah,
yes,
so it's simple how to develop. Maybe we can share you some documentation on how to build a simple app. Definitely, we can share you some Loom video, and
yes,
then you need to add that API key based on the customer purchases in the make custom app section. So that definitely, Shirin, maybe you can share a Loom video explanation how to make a simple request in app, right? To
yes. But
Dimitrios.
Yeah,
something
sure.
I mean, something very, very simple.
Sure, sure, sure. And then
Some,
we can give you some training videos also. From there, you can learn more. Yeah.
okay, okay. This is yes. It will be
It's
very
easy
helpful.
only. It's something like 1 hour job to develop.
Okay. Yes.
Again, 1 hour job for those who are developers. If you know
Okay.
JavaScript, it's easy. Otherwise, it's a problem. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I will try it.
Yeah.
Yes. This is
Anything else,
yes.
Dimitrios?
No, for now, no. Thank you.
Yeah, so simple advice is like keep posting the questions in the community. Like you can try, definitely you should try 1 hour or 2 hour, but don't waste your time again further trying, right? So once you post the question, definitely will help you. And again, make use of the classroom. So as I shown, the Makes AI is there. You simply copy paste, the HTTP module is already created. So it's very easy. Then you can match, okay, what is the app you built and how this is different, and then you can learn easily, quickly. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, thank you. So let's move to another member. I think Gerard is that Gerard. Can you hear us?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah. How should we pronounce you? Like call you Gerard.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So I think you joined the community recently, right?
Yeah, last night I saw your sorry about that. Let me put my phone on mute. I saw a YouTube video where you created a an automation creating bulk content with using a Google slide instead of the
For Canva, maybe, right?
yeah, so I've been working on trying to make a workflow and all. I'm new to all of this, so I've been trying to make a workflow for Canva, and have built an app with Canva and working on integration with Canva. And yeah, so I've been striving to look at people who kind of know what they're talking about when
Absolutely.
it comes
So, so
to
what so what I suggest you, like, when you join the community, we post a first message to you, right? And we have explained like giving a good introduction in the community, that would be great. So once you get few introduction likes and all, you will move to level 2 and you can see the file as well, the blueprint, yeah. And also like you just try it. Since you are very newbie, you might need our help. So you can post this as a question where you are and where you are stuck, right? As a post in the
yeah.
community. So I would suggest you start with an introduction as we explained in the DM, in the message we send you in inbox. So that would be great for everyone to know you, right? And help each other.
Okay. The last thing that I'll say is I'm not using Make, I'm using N8N. The reason why I'm using that is because out of all the videos that I've watched, I'm doing a self-post through Railway and using my own domain, and it seems to that was
That
pretty
doesn't matter.
simple.
So
Okay,
those who knows Make, it's same as N8N. So there is no
okay,
much friends. Yeah. So you can
Okay.
simply pose a question whether it's make or N8, definitely will answer. Yeah. So the only
Okay, cool.
thing why we don't prefer N8 except for the AI agent is like, we have to maintain our own server because the cheaper version is like you need your own server, right? But
Yeah.
what about the error handling, error emails, tracking, everything you need to set up your own. If you don't set it up, then you will end up in trouble. Like there is a server maintenance. But compared to Make, okay, you get error emails properly, you get notifications, everything. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Got it.
so that's the best part. But again, AI agent is something, as we always say, whatever N8N has come with is great. And definitely Make is going to come with that by next month. So by the time I saw like some people are saying, okay, when Make comes, they will come back to Make or right. It's up to people. So N8N or Make both are looking fine. So as per the use case, you can use your own server. But if there are multiple customers you are deploying in an N8N server, then you need to do the maintenance as well, right? Watching error emails, triggering for error emails. So you need to set up those flows as well so that your server is in good position and your customers are very happy.
Got it. I'm just using this for myself at this point right now.
Okay, fine. Then
Striving to connect it with uh Go High Level. So that's kind of where I'm at. But I'll post a video in
absolutely,
the
you can post a
community.
question and definitely we can help you. Yeah. So don't worry,
Yeah,
like you saw it's Make more or N8N, and we are trying to add more N8N as well because yeah, it's people's wish whether they wish to go to N8N or Make, right? It's up to them. Yeah.
yeah, I'm fresh, so that was the
Absolutely.
direction that,
And
that I
for
went. Yeah,
us, what we do, right, we get a lot of problems on daily basis. Since we are running a company, we get a lot of inbound leads. So we do a consultation at the automation side, whether they have to go with Make, N8N, or they have to go with app scripting, Python coding, or whether it's feasible or not, right? So accordingly, we give them consultation in a best way instead of like, hey, you need to buy this Make tool, let's proceed. Not so. Yeah. So that is not the best method for an automation consultant. Yeah,
got it.
got it. Yeah,
Okay,
anything
perfect.
else?
Thank you.
Anything else?
Um, no, I mean that's pretty much it. I mean, yeah, I'm happy to find a community. Seems like you
Absolutely,
guys
absolutely. So
are
we are here to help you the best. The only request is engage with the community, put an introduction post, and then check out the classrooms and feel free to ask tons of questions. Yeah. So we want the
absolutely
flooding and the members should get benefited out of the community. Yeah. At least 3 times revenue they need to generate in couple of months. That's what we wish to.
awesome.
Okay. Thank you.
Eh,
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So let's move to Ali. Yeah, Ali, how are you?
I I'm okay.
Okay,
Hello.
so yeah,
Can you hear
so
me?
how everything is going on?
Yeah, everything is fine. So I'm still in learning phase and trying to learn the automations and just working on the templates and yeah, I also discussed about the white labeling and um, I think I got the process. So now I'm planning to just finish the website and start the
That's all.
marketing.
So
So
have you seen that AI agency checklist which we shared? Yeah, have you seen that?
yeah,
Right. So I think
I think
Shirin would
so.
have
I
tagged,
think I
right? So yeah, so if you're looking to start an AI agency or kind of automation
yeah.
business, as you said, a couple of things like brochure or a PowerPoint presentation on showcasing your capability, landing page, pricing table or not pricing table, a consultation, Calendly, all these are very important, right? They lay the foundation, right? And maybe you
Yeah.
need to do a couple of tasks without any bugs initially, maybe to get some reviews. So you add reviews to your bucket, right? And then list that testimonials in the landing page. Then it's something like boom. Yeah. So then you will be ready. And parallelly, you need to focus on the marketing side, like, how to create videos that talk about tools, automations, problems, and solutions, right? So you need to choose whether it's TikTok or Instagram or YouTube Shorts. So accordingly, you need to proceed.
Yeah, I also have booked the session for tomorrow.
Absolutely.
A consultation
Fine,
session
fine,
with
fine.
you.
Then we
Yeah,
can
so I
discuss.
will discuss in detail. Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah,
Okay,
exactly.
okay, okay. Anything else,
Thank you.
Ali?
Not from me. No, not from me today.
Okay, okay. Let me see if anyone else is there. Okay, I don't see anyone else. Okay. Any other questions, important questions? Any one of you, like Dimitrios, do you have any other questions, or Gerard, any other questions do you have? Which one is important to cover?
No.
All
Just
right.
just please send me this documentation that you told me, the recent training, something. I understand.
Yeah, you saw the training?
I will check tomorrow again all the
Got it.
trainings.
Got
Okay.
it. Okay. So I'll just share my screen before we wind up. Couple of points, very important points, guys. So we have started exclusive one-to-one meetings, and that meetings are regularly open every week. So I think you would have seen that. So if you type strategy, you can pin those like points. So where is that? Let me show you 1 second. Second. See this exclusive one-to-one strategy calls. This is very important. We already completed meeting with couple of people already here. So we met with, I think, Marcus Lamb and couple of folks. Yeah. So what we want, so if you have already completed 30 days, start booking the meetings on regular basis, because see, at the end of the day, you are part of our community. Our entire goal is to do a business coaching, share our experience, right? So we primarily work on scenario development, workflows, automation development. Second, on AI voice, specifically on AI voice as well. And third, maintenance of services. And fourth is apps, like Dimitrio said, Virus Total. You want to make as an app, right? We have a lot of products already shared in the community. So if you want to discuss about how you can progress in these sections, because we are already progressing, getting a lot of inbound leads. So if you want to learn it step by step, discuss with us in person, you have this opportunity. 1:1 strategy call. So start booking this as per your requirement. Maybe every 2 days you want a strategy call along with weekly Q&A. So I hope you guys will make use of it, right?
Yes, okay.
Okay, that's great. And second thing, what we introduced right now, as Gerard was saying, yeah. So let me show you classrooms. So we have started N8 Automation Hub as well. So we have started creating the documentation on N8 and then training section. So we are going to add more videos. Nothing is there to worry for make users. It's same. So just choose one of your best tool, whichever you started. Say for example, some guys start with Python and they find it's very interesting in Python to code because Python is very simple, easy to understand. Some goes with C++. It's very complex because C++ is the base of many other languages, right? So it's up to you what you feel easy, what you have started, go with that. You should not like think of, okay, $5 or $10 doesn't make difference for your customer, because at the end, if you're trying to implement for your customer, you need to see the purchase power of your customer. If they are ready to buy, you don't have to worry whether it's Make or N8N. Yeah. So choose wisely which tool you want to go. If it's N8N, yeah, we have started adding those training documents. Feel free to share your feedback. We'll be adding more videos as well, and AI agents, etc. Otherwise, if it's Make training, you can go to Start Making, and there you have just 3 hours training. It's very simple. 3 hours, if you watch it, practice it, you know the end-to-end like basics of Make, how to create the workflows. And here in the HTTP request, this is the advanced one where we have explained both the method. So it's a 22-minute video where we have explained how to even use the AI in the right side tab to generate the HTTP request. So simply watch it and this will be very helpful for you all. Yeah. Second thing, I just want to wind up again. Before I wind up, I want to say that this AI voice, if you are going to do businesses, you can check out how AI voice is becoming very famous in US and Europe. So retail and Vapi are very good in these kind of businesses. So if you can get customers, it's very easy to close. And definitely we are here to help you because we have the white label services also, right? So with the white label services, say for example, you might be talking to a customer and closing a deal for $1,000, and we will be there to help you at a lesser rate, and then you can definitely earn more customers and more profit. That's how. And the other important thing is there is a lot of community bonus apps we have added, so make use of this, showcase the solutions. You don't have to say our app or something. You are going to showcase the problem and solution, right? And then customer or people will DM you or message you, they need this app or something. So we have already explained here how to resell our app. So simply you have that power to resell our apps, and there will be a installation process and 50% discount coupon. So maybe you are collecting $200 or $300 from your customer. We have our price in the website, and at the 50%, again, we'll reduce the price by 50% and sell to you. Say for example, there is an app for $100 in our website, and we are giving you for $50 alone, and you might be taking 150 or 200 from the customer. It's up to you. So resell based on the customer power, right? Increase your bid, or similarly do the service as well at an increased price. So this is how you should make use of the community at the best level. And second thing, guys, believe me, on daily basis we are closing lot of projects. So we have the real-time experience, unlike others. Since we are platinum partners of Make, we are dealing with customers on daily basis, and we are closing hours on daily basis. So this is just a hours we are tracking for our primary clients. You can see we close 28 hours, 26 hours per day. We are closing a lot of hours, and there are yet time to be added. So we have the graph projections, how much we are working, closing, etc. So since we are working with clients on real time, you can get expert guidance in the community from the real expert engineers, right? Say for example, Dimitrios is going to a customer involving with medical field or law firm. Today morning we were doing live implementation for a law firm. So you need some idea on law firm, what we can automate, right? They take pictures of accidents, etc. We need to create a report from pictures using cloud AI, store in Airtable, make it easy for the law firm specialist. Or if we have to go and create a social media automation for another customer. So we have these real tens of examples. So feel free to ask questions in the community, whether you need some case studies or examples, so we can share that as well, and you can get customer. Yeah, Dimitrios.
You mentioned the law firms, okay? What solution we can give them? Because tomorrow I have a meeting with a law firm about
Okay.
that.
So,
We
yeah.
can
So,
sell the automations in many lawyers here in Greece.
got it. Got it. So today we have done a meeting live scenario development for Salazar Law Firm. This is the law firm. What we did. Yeah. So what we did is a customer is having what the idea is. He is having a Google Drive where each case file they put in a Google Drive in separate folder, drop the photos of the accident. And when they drop the photos, it will generate a unique number. And then in Airtable, they are using Airtable as their CRM. In the Airtable, they are sending these photos, case information. And from the photo, this photo, like it's an accident, it is sent to Cloud AI. They are using Cloud AI, Anthropic AI. It is analyzing, hey, there is a car, it has been hit, this is a surrounding. It will create a description of the image and store in the Airtable. So that was the first step we did, like analyzing the accident images and the document, PDF document, and store the information and the summary report or summary in Airtable. So it can be Airtable, Google Sheet, or Monday. Now we are about to meet that same customer in 2 days. What he's trying to do is building a chatbot. So based on the cases, he will ask question. The law firm specialist will ask question. Hey, do you have that photos ready? Is the case is fine? Is the PDF document is ready? Is the insurance document is ready? I can go and further take the case. So it's like a folder they are dedicating with the insurance document, PDF document of the case, and the photos of the accident. And they are creating summaries and report. And that is the stage which we have developed today morning.
Okay, but here we can say a problem. Are these safe about the personal data?
So, most of these AI agents, so the AI agent, whichever you use, whether OpenAI, so all these have regulations. So Make is already regulated. Make have a security. If you go to Make's page, there is a security tab where they explain about their certifications, everything. So whenever you use any extraction tool or cloud AI or OpenAI, you need to see what are their compliance, and then it is safe. So based on the compliances certification they have, you can proceed.
No, because it's because it's very important. This lawyer that I working with, he's on GDPR. You know GDPR.
Yeah, GDPR, I'm aware. Yeah.
Yes, and AI Act. You know,
Got
this
it.
is what he's doing. So it's very important for him to be regulated. All
Got it. So
all
if
the solutions to be regulated. You know, because they upload very sensitive data there.
got it. So if you
We need-
see OpenAI and all, they are compliant with the GDPR. So GDPR, CCPA. So based on the AI you choose, you have to watch their security and privacy page and see what complaints they have. Accordingly, you can choose it and proceed. Whether it's OpenAI or Cloud AI, you can proceed.
Yes, this when you're using their API, right?
Yeah.
When you're using their API, not when you're using the public ChatGPT, the data are not safe.
We need to see. This is about their API. Yeah. Their
Yes,
API. But they mention our API, ChatGPT, Enterprise are covered and our SOC2 type to report and have been evaluated. So that's what they say. But again, data is nowadays data is sold at each and every seconds and minutes. Everyone says GDPR and all. So the only thing is we trust these GDPR policies and proceed. Yeah.
yes.
So if any question comes, we have the proof, their pages, and this is the evidence. Yeah.
Okay, yes, because it's very important
Yeah.
in general about because this lawyer, he's also he work with many medical centers.
Makes
That
sense.
yes, that they will have interest about the automations, and
Absolutely.
he going to bring me in contact with them, so they can be hospitals, our clients here.
Got it. So that's what. So you can check out this documentation and then you can share with them. Yeah, Make is already GDPR. You can see Make security page also. So check that compliance, then the AI compliance, then share with them. So once they confirm, you can proceed the development. Yeah. And
Yes.
again, here, whatever I said in morning, in our morning time, we connected with that customer. So we just developed now from getting the data from Google Drive to Airtable, getting description summary using AI. So the next step is like he was discussing from folder to folder, they had the cases. It will be a chatbot where they will chat with the Airtable data in the backend. Hey, what is the files? Is every file ready? Is the case is fine to proceed, etc. So they will rate the case type and proceed. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, so that's all from our side. I believe you all guys will meet in this our next weekly Q&A and make use of our strategy calls and be active in the community. Share your questions. So me, Fasil, and then Sherin is there in the community. Anytime you can tag us or DM us. Yeah, for any help.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you all. Yeah. Have a great day. Have a good
Bye-bye.
rest of the evening. Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye
Bye.
all.